Naghahanap ka ba ng plan na affordable, customizable, and with investment? Then this video is for you. Tara, pag-usapan natin ang Sun Maxilink Prime and samahan nyo ako sa leg workout natin today. At syempre, warm up muna natin ng legs natin para ready sa madugong leg routine natin today. Alright, so ang first workout natin ay superset kaagad ng hack squat at standing calf raise para bugbugan na agad. Ang target nito is quads and calves. Tips lang mga men sa hack squat, keep your heels flat, go slow on the way down, then explode up para sa maximum quad activation. Then sa calf raises, dapat full stretch sa baba, squeeze hard sa taas, and don't rush, okay? Para mas solid ang gains. So ayun na nga, si Sun Maxilink Prime ay isang life insurance with investment. Again, it's a life insurance plan with investment. Ang maganda pa dito ay nagdo-double ng life coverage mo, tapos covered ka till age 88, and it has a minimum paying years of 10 years. Parang value meal din to kasi it has a little of everything and yet affordable. Bakit? Kasi pwede kang mag-add ng side dishes or riders kung tawagin. Next workout, leg extensions. So, ang target ito is quads isolation. Dito mo talaga makukuha yung definition. Bale, ginagawa ko dito is 3 progressive sets, meaning nag-increase yung weight every set. Then sa huli, drop set para solid burn and pump. Tips ko lang dito mga men, squeeze nyo sa taas ng rep. Hold for a second para mas ramdam at mas effective yung gains. Speaking of riders, ito yung list na pwede mong i-add sa plan mo. Like total disability, accidental death, dismemberment and disablement, critical illness benefit, hospital income benefit, and waiver of premiums. Ang dami, di ba? Pwede mong i-mix and match yan, depende na lang sa budget mo, kasi continuous pay ang mga riders na to. Kaya planuhin din ng tama. Then, ang finisher natin will be abductor machine. So, ang target ko dito is yung inner thighs. Tips lang mga men, lean forward slightly kayo para mas ramdam nyo sa inner thigh. Then, hold nyo yung squeeze sa loob para mas solid yung gains. Now, dito na tayo sa exciting part, investments. Pero quick reminder lang, no? Investments are not guaranteed kasi nakabasis to sa stock market performance at sobrang volatile ng market. Sabi nga nila, high risk, high return. Low risk, low return. Kaya dapat, alam mo yung risk appetite mo bago ka pumasok. Para kanino nga ba si Maxilink Prime? Perfect for beginners starting their investment journey, breadwinners looking for protection and growth, parents na preparing for their kids' education, and those saving for milestones or retirement. So ayun lang mga men, if you want to know more about Sun Maxilink Prime, comment Prime, or you can message me directly. Again, this is Nate, your fitness financial advisor. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more fitness and financial tips. Peace out mga men.